Hi, I'm Jeff Flower, and this is Ultimate Bake Off. Today our contestants are fierce and are not going to crack under the pressure.
Hi, I'm Beatrice. Back home they call me the Bacon Ninja. I've been baking for about 12 years, I think. So I'm a pro. Back home I have my own shop. It's called baconninja.org.
So I'm Heather, and I'm here to win because I'm gonna win. Why wouldn't I win? Oh my gosh, I put the egg in before I put the sugars in. What am I gonna do? It's gonna make it all liquidy, and this isn't okay.
Oh God, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough vanilla.
So my opponent, Heather, I've heard she's an amateur. I've heard she specializes in kids baking and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure that I have the upper hand. So I guess we'll see how it goes.
Alright ladies, how are we doing?
Very good. What are you working on right now?
Waiting for my cake.
I'm putting mine in my tins.
Alright, well.
Got 1 hour.
Come on, hurry up.
Oh!
You got a problem?
Okay.
Is there a problem?
No, it's just a little bit typical. I just expected it.
Okay.
Beatrice in there. She sends off these weird vibes because I'm from New York City, so people don't treat me this way. I own New York's #1 bake shop. I might bake for kids, but Heather, what does she do? I don't even know. Does she even specialize in baking?
Oh gosh, I don't think I have enough for my both tins. We only have 1 hour left and I have to restart the whole recipe and make another one.
I am making my famous chocolate cake. So it's gonna be nice and moist inside. And then I'm gonna have this chocolate mousse that goes inside, on the layer. And then I have a chocolate frosting that goes around. And I'm going to be making a vanilla frosting that I may or may not dye. I haven't decided yet for decorating.
Oh gosh. Here we go. Does that look even? Good enough. So I'm making a confetti cake with 4th of July sprinkles because it's July 2nd. And so basically I'm gonna have vanilla buttercream on top, and it's gonna be all cute, and I have a little note for the judges on top. So yeah, basically that's it.
What's your opinion on them as bakers?
Well, I don't even know if Francie knows how to use a measuring cup. And Hallie wants to make an 8-tier cake with mousse or something, so I'm gonna say good luck with that.
It's not who's gonna win, it's who's gonna lose. I don't know if any of these contestants can read, yet alone follow a recipe. We'll see.
So, is this your cake?
Yeah, so I made my confetti cake. As you can see, it's vanilla with some sprinkles. And I made some frosting, and I just have to wait for it to cool.
Alright, do you have any designs you're going to do?
Yeah, but it's a secret. You'll see at the end when I win.
What girls? 4, 2, hands off! You're done! Now time to plate and give it to the judges.
Right, it's plating time, everybody. We have the prestigious Judge Judy, baker, and judger. Here we have the other prestigious Judge Rudy, who is also a cake baker. Alright, Beatrice, show us your cakes!
Here we go!
Oh, these are pretty interesting
I think
presentations.
it's beautiful. I want to do my hardest work.
Alright, here you go. We're going to be judging on smell, taste, and presentation. Alright, let's take a taste, everybody.
Try it with the mousse.
Very moist. See, there's a lot of different flavors going in there, don't you think?
Yeah, I like how you didn't let the cake cool off before decorating it.
Thanks.
That's a different,
Cake!
approach.
I like it.
He's always been a man of few
Alright.
words.
Everybody judge for smell. Alright.
Smells brown.
I find if you put it up your nose, you get a better feel for the texture, the smell.
It smells kind of like dirt.
Smells brown. I like brown. I want to eat it.
Man, this is some good cake. Alright.
Now
This is
what?
the best cock I ever had. Actually, it's got silver. It's got a little bit of silver bullets. Do y'all like the silver bullets on your cocks?
She hasn't been approved for this station. She'd probably be censored.
He's just mad because I beat him on the last competition.
Anyway, let's give a rating out of 10.
Wait, I'm still tasting it. You see how it has a few layers?
Yeah.
Just like her personality.
What about presentation?
So for presentation, I think I'm gonna give it probably like a 1 because it really looks like it's just that is outrageous. Hey, this is mine.
We have
I say it's a 10 out of 10, 11 even.
Oh, we're gonna need to get security in.
Honey,
Empty.
I think it's a 1 because it looks like the mousse melted and it slipped and fell.
I got something to say.
That is how I wanted it.
I give it a 1.
You know what? You're a good little
Such a way with words over there.
I
about
see the
you?
way that you made it just look like a volcano cake.
Yes, that's what it is.
I love volcanoes. They explode.
Well,
and they
I have one thing to
flow.
say. I think because wait, okay, they all go. Wait. I
No,
don't know
this
where
is
my
a
accent
brown cake.
they're all different.
I feel like it's my turn. You two have said enough, as usual.
I'm Jeff Flower.
What's on your face?
Anyway,
Some poo-poo.
what I feel like is, it's sort of like a mudslide, and like, it's like she tried to, you know the recent disaster where there was actually a mudslide? I feel like she's trying to tell us something.
It's a message.
It's a message.
She's caught it.
All the presentations are different though. This one looks like it's a 2-tier falling though. This one looks like you just took it with your hand, shit on it, and put it on my plate. That one looks like it's a little messier, but they're all different, you know?
I want to commentary. The bullets, they're like rocks.
They're like BBs.
They're like, no,
They'll
man.
shoot
Rocks
your
in the
eye out.
avalanche, I see
They're
it.
like rocks, and then the mudslide, and they're just going through the motion.
So it's like a war and Mother Nature.
Alright, let's
I
give our
get it.
overall scores out of 10.
I get it.
Let's give, okay, you go first with your overall score out of 10.
That was 11.
Alright, I'm
Someone
gonna go
can't
with
count.
about a 4.3.
I really like the theme of it and the story behind all of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 7.2.
Alright, that is the score. If Heather wants to beat you, she's gotta get above a 69.
Rude.
Right, Heather, bring your cakes. Alright, let's do the taste test. Oh, I
Mine's
already can
bigger.
tell it's very hard. Like
Mine's
the
bigger.
frosting. The frosting is
Mine's
hard.
the bigger one. Look, bigger. You get a small one.
You're missing.
I'm missing the point. Oh.
Oh, you come again.
I am going to tell you that my fork almost did not submerge into the cock.
Me too.
Like a problem to me.
The frosting is, it's hard.
This reminds me of when I was in Abu Dhabi and we all got food poisoning.
Yeah.
I don't know if I
I want to swallow it. Are you?
Let's smell it.
Smell it.
It tastes like flour. Do you think?
Smells like cake.
It smells like artificial vanilla.
I think she likes it.
What are you thinking right now? Do you think you're gonna beat Beatrice?
I think I got
a 70.
I'm sensing a big score.
I don't even know what to say. This is so disgusting.
Are you okay?
You're not even Indian.
Exposed.
Exactly.
I think this is the part
Can you believe this bitch?
I've seen her before.
Let's get back to the cock.
Okay.
I think this is the part that we need to look at the color and the texture.
However, I do like the presentation. Come here, sweetie. You can't just. Okay. I like the presentation. It's very 4th of July-esque. That is the point. But I mean,
My Little Pony for
We're in
Will you-
Australia. It's not. That's a U.S. holiday.
very true. Why would we celebrate the independence of America if we fucking hate them?
The Indians aren't even free.
They're not. You gotta go back. I'm calling immigration. I'm calling Donald. Donald. All right. Anyway, it's very pink and purple. Snake. Where is that? Barking spider. Bark. That's a cock.
Spider.
Anyway, it's pink and purple, and 4th of July, even though why would we celebrate? It's red and blue.
I mean,
And this cake is like harder than like anything. It's broken, my fork.
the fork is broken on the
Look
cock.
at it. It's broken.
Alright, let's
I think what we're saying is, what in the hell were you doing over there with the ingredients?
Beatrice was right calling you an amateur. Of course you went with kids. They'll eat anything.
Yeah. You seem to really know what is going on.
It's because I'm also the host.
You the host?
The host.
The host.
The host. I'm the host.
Host.
Excuse me. Anyway, let's give it a smell rate. Probably
Smells like
a
cake.
4.
It smells a little bit like hot.
Okay. Now let's do the overall scoring. Come. We are okay, Mice, you go first.
10.75.
You go.
It is disgusting. And I'm going to have to give it a little bit lower than you. I'm going to go ahead and get it 1.
I'm going to give it drum roll. This is deciding if she wins. Drum roll. I'm going to give it an 8. Congratulations, you've won the ultimate bake-off. Thank you very much. How do you feel? Very happy. All right, let's get Beatrice in here. How do you feel?
This is unfair.
Right, everybody, thank you for tuning in to this week's episode. Next week on the Ultimate Bake Off, we've got the theme of, do you want to tell it?